Yusuf Bhai? Yusuf Bhai.
Hi.
Hello, Yusuf Bhai.
Salaam alaikum.
I am a very, very, very big
Hi,
fan.
dear.
You
How are
are
you?
a viral sensation. Is it true that you can make any perfume in just 15 minutes?
Which fragrance you want, we can try.
You're being very modest. I have a couple of fragrances that you have to recreate for me today. But before that, I want to know everything about your life journey.
Sure, I will do it. We can talk now.
I've come to Dera to meet a very special person. He's created a sensational name for himself around the globe. I would call him an artist, magician, a connoisseur for recreating emotions from any scent that is presented to him.
I was born in small village of Kerala. That time I don't have money much, I don't have anything. मेहनत करके alhamdulillah इतना तक मैं पहुंच गया. That's why people call me doctor of fragrance. I can make any fragrance you want. Only 10 minutes. Here is my story.
On this episode of Stories from UAE, I am meeting the doctor of fragrances in Dubai. From selling inverters on the streets of Kerala to him having sell his wife's jewelry to make ends meet, to becoming a photographer in Qatar, to running around and doing door-to-door sales in Dubai. Today, after all the hardships and struggles, Yusuf Bhai is a brand name in itself in the world of perfumery, owning 5 stores in Dubai and with a vision to expand the whole of GCC.
Every success, behind of success, there is struggle. One time, my wife visited my room. She was crying. Yusuf, what kind of room you staying? गाड़ी नहीं था, बैग पकड़ के हर दुकान में. Then I go to Abu Dhabi, then I go to Alain, then I go to with bus. Then after slowly, I make 1 customer, then 2 customer, 3 customer. Every day more than 200 customized perfume makeup. Only one Yusuf Bhai is there in the market.
Yusuf Bhai was born in a small village of Chavakkar in Kerala. He spent his childhood with his 5 brothers and 2 sisters, growing up in a small house by the beach. He helped his dad in the fish market, who worked there as a commission agent, and also spent a lot of time with his mother, helping her out with her farming chores, carrying huge buckets of water and supplies.
My father was always using fragrance, like the old fragrance like Jannatul Firdaus, Brut, many kind of the fragrance. Because why? Because he is working in the fish market. There is he feel himself. When he go out, he feel maybe I have the smell, the bad smell. That's why he always using the fragrance. That same things. Maybe I'm start also always using the fragrance. Always when we go, that knowledge was maybe in my mind.
As a young boy, Yusuf had big dreams and always hoped to live a good life. But little did he know he would become the king of perfumes until he came to the Gulf.
When I study time, my school teacher asked me, what you want to do? Someone say, I want police officer. Someone say, I want like a judge or doctor. I say, I need to go Gulf, Middle East. That was my dream.
Yusuf Bhai always dreamt of coming to the Gulf. He wanted to make a name for himself, but had no money. With the help of his brother, he moved to Qatar, where he worked as a photographer. But passion had a different calling for him. He moved to Dubai and started working as a sales boy in his brother's perfume wholesale shop. And that's where he dived into the world of perfumes.
मैं ऐसी अचानक दुकान में नहीं आया. यूसुफ भाई नहीं बन गया. मैं कतर से शुरू हुआ था. कतर से मैं फोटोग्राफ के बाद मैं मेरे भाई इधर आ गया. उसी टाइम मैं कतर से कैंसिल किया था. कैंसिल करके मैं चावकाड़ पहुंच गया. मैं पहले एक सेल्समैन का इंटरव्यू में गया. मेरे को बाइक चलाने के इतना डरता था, लेकिन उसी टाइम ज़रूरी है बोल के बाइक में रेंट में लिया. इन्वर्टर बेचने के लिए मैं शुरू किया, लेकिन बाद में वो बंद किया. एक भी बेचने नहीं पाया. उधर से कपड़ा, चप्पल, तोड़ा, शू सब बेंगलुरु जाके चिपेटा होलसेल मार्केट से थोड़ा लेके आके उसमें हमारा बीवी था. बीवी मदद किया तो उसका गोल्ड कुछ लेके बेच के मैं उसमें शुरू किया. 7-8 महीना चलाने में माशाल्लाह बढ़िया. That time my brother sent it to me visa for me. Come to Dubai. My brother introduced the perfume factory. That one is Sea of Incense. मैं पहले outdoor sales था. Only 5 products is there. there is introduced 5 salesmen. मेरे को लगा परफ्यूम बनाने के सीखा, भी कैसे बनाने के है, गाड़ी नहीं था, बैग पकड़ के हर दुकान में 10 shop is there, 1 shop maybe, okay, just someone say no, go. Then I go to Abu Dhabi, then I go to Alain, then I go to with Bas. Then after slowly, I make 1 customer, then 2 customer, 3 customer. Whenever talking, doing, you love yourself and you know about the product knowledge should be.
Back then, Yusuf lived a very tough life. So much so that he had no money to pay for his electricity bills or money to feed himself as well. But because of his sportsmanship attitude, he never showed or spoke about his hardships to anybody. He made his first sale in 1996 for 35 AD, and after that, there was no stopping back, as he got so consumed in the world of perfumes and decided to do something of his own.
दुबई में क्या नहीं मिलते, हर कुछ मिलते, 1000 ऑफ, 2000 ऑफ, 5000 का परफ्यूम मिलते, लेकिन सब आवाम के लिए वही खुशबू कैसे बनाने के लिए सर्च किया, क्यों वो फ्रेग्रेंस लेके वो नॉर्मल परफ्यूम के जैसा बनाने के लिए, उसी लिए मैं स्टार्टिंग किया. देयर इज वाज ओके मूविंग, नॉट दैट मच. देन आफ्टर दैट आई गो टू मार्कस मनाल, आई मीन मनाल सेंटर में ओपन, देयर इज 1 शॉप आल्सो, देयर इज लाइक काउंटर क्लोज. अगेन आई ओपन दूसरा एक दुकान, हमारा अवामिर बोल के एक दुकान खोला. There is collection of the Christian Dior, Udasfahan, Grace Mondage, or Purple Oud. There is many collection of perfume. That one is at the same quality, same fragrance. I make the 30 ml miniature perfume in the market. I introduced that in the market. From there, everyone started to make that 30 ml collection in the market. Still now they are available 30 ml in the market.
After a lot of hard work, downfalls and learnings, Yusuf learned the tricks of the trade and went on to becoming the Yusuf Bhai of the industry and made a name for himself.
परफ्यूमर बनने के लिए आप एक्सरसाइज करना पड़ता है, डेली आप मेहनत करना पड़ता है. I wanted to be every day get the new result. Every day more than 200 customized perfume, only one Yusuf Bhai is there in the market. Social media and the media take me the top of the CNN, even Gulf Today, even Time of India, everywhere is Yusuf Bhai there. This is from of everything from. I never say I wanted to make interview. Alhamdulillah is coming. But that one is I focus your work, whatever make others happy. The same time you will be happy.
It's so fascinating. You know, what you actually see on Instagram is true. People from all over the world come to Yusuf Bhai to recreate a particular scent, be it a fragrance that, their mother used to wear or father used to wear, a fragrance from their childhood. Yusuf Bhai can create any scent under the sun. You name it and he'll do it.
जापान से एक लड़की आया था, इतना bottles. Take appointment, Yusuf Bhai. Okay, she was giving the perfume. I just smell, because I know when I smell, I go to the very easy, because sometimes some fragrance we know very easy. I just made her to that perfume. She was hug me. I go there. I didn't find you. How you make the perfume? She said, this is my mom perfume. This smell important for me. This is a very expensive for me. ये इसके कीमत आपको नहीं बता सकते. इतना वैल्यू चीज है. अपना फैमिली का, बाप का, भाई का वही खुशबू है दुनिया का one of the other best perfume.
Yusuf Bhai, so like you mentioned before that you create a scent or a fragrance keeping in mind the person, like the person's character. I really want to know, what is my fragrance? Like what do I bring out, like what are my personalities, and I really want to have a fragrance that I can call myself.
We can do it any fragrance, especially depend of the character.
Okay.
But the character should be, I wanted to know about you more. Let's sit.
Yeah,
We can
okay.
talk. That we can make what kind of the fragrance, whatever you want. Even any skin smell, cloth smell, whatever you want. Maybe you like a floral, like a little bit fruity. That smell of you like. You miss the love.
Yes. That is so true. Yes.
Yeah. I mean, Okay,
I
we
miss
can.
my family back home. So yes, like I miss the love and yeah.
Priyanka, don't worry. I will make you happy, confidence.
Wow.
Okay?
Thank you
Is
so much.
that-
Yusuf Bhai is going to make me a scent that is personal to me, which is strong, confident. It's going to depict my character and personality, and he's going to make it in just 15 minutes. He is the doctor of fragrance.
Then when you go to office, I don't know where you working better exactly. Where you go working place, everybody knows Priyanka, she's son. There is more than 11 fragrances already notes is there. There is top note, the base note, there is middle note is there. Which color it will become purple? Tell me now.
Blue.
Wow. Now you can try it how you want to try it. Tell me the exactly. I can read with your face.
Wow, I can smell the vanilla, I can smell the Nutella, the patchouli. Yusuf Bhai, thank you so much. I had a wonderful afternoon. I absolutely loved the scent that you have created for me as well. Your personality, your radiance, it's mashallah, we can say.
Alhamdulillah, always. I wish you also spread your smile, spread your voice of all of the world, and everyone is love you. You are looking for love, and everyone is going to love. Love means you don't think there's many category of love. Inshallah, I wish you everyone is love you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.